Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Giselle. Um, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Good. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
What do you see on the screen? All the instructions?
Yeah,
Okay.
the class prerequisites and the house rules.
Okay, good. Well done. Welcome aboard. This is your first lesson trial, right?
Yes.
Okay, Giselle, nothing much. If you look at the house rules, if you want to chat, you can use the chat function. If you want to excuse yourself or toilet break, that kind of stuff, you can just say say so or just type it into the chat box, okay?
Okay.
So it's the choice is yours. You are quite lucky today because you're all alone. So hopefully we can do more questions, right?
Okay.
Okay. My name is Sunny, as you can see,
Okay.
and I'll be judge. Okay. Um, our focus here today will be on algebraic expressions and solving equations. It's not that difficult. I'll guide you along. And for the last 15 minutes or so, you will be exposed to Kahoot online questions. It's quite fun. It's an online quiz. So that is at 15 minutes before the lesson ends. So that would be nice. For now, we'll do some simple questions, all right? So I
All
will
right.
guide you along. If you're not sure, just let me know. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's not find the value of 1x, all right? It's not 1 times, all right? It is called 1x. See, 1x, remember, this is, I'll bring it closer. 1x, remember, is the same as x. That's for your information, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so of course, uh, for the questions you are getting, of course, you'll get 1x, but actually it's the same as x, all right?
All
So
right.
if I want to do it, x plus 3 equals to 15 minus 5x. You saw that?
Yes.
So do you know how to do it?
Yes. I.
Okay, try. Try. Let you try. Come on.
Mm, do I write it down?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Why not? You do it. Yeah, you do. You get a paper. Sorry, it just went off. What's your first answer?
2.
Yes, there you go. You got it right. Well done. So your working should be exactly the same as mine or something similar.
Yes, it's similar.
Okay, good. All right. You can do part B now. Question B. the answer for B?
Yes, my answer is 1, 2.
Wow, good. Well done. So you can do C and D. Once you're done, just let me know, okay?
All right.
Good.
I'm done.
Okay, what's the answer was C?
C, my answer is 5.
D?
9.
Wow. There you go. Bingo. Well done. So you're flying off to a very good start. Good. Let's move on. So far, so good. So keep it up. Now, use all the digits to form the number close to 6,000.
Is the answer 5,900? 5,960?
Correct, you're right. You see, it says closest to 6,000, right? So all the numbers must be big. It can't be more than 6,000. So you're going to start out with 5, which is correct. And then what's the next biggest number? It is
9.
9. After that, it's going to be 6. After that is 0. So this is closest to 6,000, right? You see, this is 5,000. This is, I call this the number line, 6,000, right? The middle is 5,500, right now.
Yes.
So this one is sitting somewhere here, right? So it is closer to 6,000. Clear?
Yes.
All right, well done. Let's move on. Okay.
Is the answer 430,000?
Wow. Not bad. Spot on. Nearest 10,000, right? So 26. You got 26,000. 26,000 is closer to 30,000, right? Instead of 20,000, right? So you're right. Let's say this 20,000. This is 30,000. And this will be 25,000, right?
Yes.
And you're 26 somewhere here, right?
Yes.
So you're right. So it's 430,000. Well done. So good. Let's move on. Okay.
Is it 55W?
Wow, so fast. Yeah, you're right. Just remember, 5W is the same as 5 times W times 11, all right? So if I were you, I'll just take care of the numbers first. So 5 times 11 is 55, and then I just put back W. Clear? So you need to know this. 5W is the same as 5 times W. All right? Take note. Okay, good. There you go. Wow. Time for you to think a bit. It's doable. So I'll do something like this. This is Bob. This is mother. Okay. And then right below.
Is the answer 18 plus 13x?
Okay, let's see whether your answer is right. Wow. Well done. Bingo. Did you say 13x plus 18?
Yes.
All right. Let's see how it goes. Bob is 9 years old. His mom is 9 plus x, right? In 6x. 6x. So you add all the numbers, all right? So 9 plus 9 is
18.
18. 6x plus 6x plus x gives you 13x. Their total age. That's all. Easy?
Easy.
Yeah, good. Okay, next one.
Is it 4b plus 26?
4b plus 26. You are spot on. Let's see whether you're right, okay? Hilda Hunt. B, 3 times will be 3b, right?
Yeah.
13 years, 13, 13. So you add the numbers first, right? What do you get? 26. B plus 3b,
4b.
4b. And what did you say? 4b plus?
26 years old.
Wow, bingo. Not bad. Okay, next one.